Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How much does a public defender cost? The short answer is, they are supposed to be free. The whole point of the public defender system is based on the Sixth Amendment, which guarantees your right to a lawyer in a criminal case. If you can't afford to hire one, the government must provide one for you at no cost. This is a fundamental part of American justice. But, and this is a big but, free doesn't always mean you will pay absolutely nothing. The reality is a bit more complicated and really depends on what state you're in. Let's break down the potential costs you might face. First, some states charge a small, non-refundable application fee. This is a fee you have to pay just to have the court consider you for a public defender. It's usually not much, maybe $10 to $50, but it's an upfront cost you need to be aware of. Second, you might be responsible for various administrative court fees that have nothing to do with your lawyer's services but are part of the overall cost of your case. These fees can add up. The biggest potential cost, however, comes from something called recoupment. This is the most important thing to understand. Many states have laws that allow the court to order you to pay back some or all of the cost of your public defender, but usually only if you are convicted. This isn't a bill you get in the mail from your lawyer. Instead, it's a fee ordered by the judge at the end of your case. The court will look at your financial situation and your ability to pay in the future. So, if you are found guilty, you might end up with a bill for hundreds or even thousands of dollars for the legal services you received. It's the state's way of trying to recover the money it spent on your defense. So, to be clear, you will not be paying your public defender an hourly rate or a retainer like you would a private attorney. The core legal representation is provided without you having to pay for it up front to get a lawyer assigned. The costs are almost always on the back end, ordered by a court, and often only if the case doesn't go your way. To qualify, you'll have to prove you're indigent, which means you'll fill out a detailed financial form about your income, assets, and expenses. The court then decides if you make too much money to qualify. So, while a public defender is your constitutional right and is provided at no initial cost to ensure you have representation, you could still face fees and reimbursement costs down the line. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of complex legal topics.